Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video I will show you how to set processor affinity for specific applications in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin, open the Windows search bar and type Task Manager. Select and open the Task Manager application. Once Task Manager is open, navigate to the Details tab. Scroll down the list of processes until you find the application you want to adjust, for instance, Firefox. Right-click on the application's name, and you will see an option labeled Set Affinity. Click on this option. Here, you can select which processor cores the application will be allowed to use. This allows you to customize resource allocation for individual programs. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.